Good morning, children. Here we can start today's class. And which chapter which we are discussing nowadays?
Nervous
Nervous system. Okay, nervous system. That is the name of the chapter which we are discussing it. Okay, so what is the importance of? So let me, those who know the answer, just raise your hand. Okay, don't unmute without my permission. What is the importance of nervous system? So many organ systems are present in our body. Digestive system, circulatory system, which all system, muscular system, skeletal system, isn't it? So many organ groups, organ systems are present in our body. But this organ system, that is the nervous system, it is very, very important. Important organ system of our body is this nervous system. What is the reason behind it? I can see. So some of the students are raising their hand, but very few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 students only. 5. Akshaj also is raising. So can I ask to Akshaj? Akshar, can you tell me what is the importance of nervous system?
It controls the brain,
It controls.
all the body system.
Okay, very good answer. Give a good clap for Akshar. So it controls nervous system. Because of the nervous system, all the functions of the other systems are going on. This nervous system controls the function of all other organ system. That means the entire body, isn't it? Any other answers? Albina, Samuel, Payal. Any other answer? I saw you are same. No? Any other points? Do you want to share any other points? No. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so the same thing. And so here I want to ask Shabari, which are the parts of nervous system? Human nervous system. Shabari. Shabari, unmute. Which are the parts of human nervous system? Parts of human nervous system. First time are you hearing? Shabari? Hasib?
Brain.
Okay, brain. Only brain is there. All others, please keep quiet. Hasib, I want the names of the parts. Ekrat, please wait. Names of the organs in nervous system. Names of the different parts of nervous system. Hasib. Brain. Only brain is there. Then tell me. Ridu, please mute. Yes, Hasib.
Nervous system.
Wait. Hasib, wait. Angelo, tell me. Which all are the parts of nervous system?
Brain, spinal cord, nerves.
Okay, Hasib, which are the parts? Are you here?
Brain.
Tell me, you
Spinal
told
cord.
only one. You told only one. Is it alone that brain can control all this one?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
think like that? No.
No, ma'am.
So some other organs, some other parts also are helping that. Which are they, Hasib? I want to get it from you.
Spinal cord and nerves.
Spinal cord and the nerves, isn't it? Okay. So here in the last class, we told the brain. It is protected by Shabari. Shabari, wait. Shabari, our brain is protected. I can hear. Somebody is testing the mic. I can hear. Please mute it. Shabari.
Yes,
Shabari. Yes, tell me. Our brain is protected by which part? What is the name of the part that protect our brain? Shabari.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Spinal cord.
Please tell me again loudly.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord is a part of our nervous system. Which part of the body is protected, or sorry, our brain is protected by which part? Or what is the name of the part that protects our brain?
Ma'am.
Anay Harish, Anay Harish, Anay.
Skull.
Okay,
Ma'am.
skull, skull. Shabari, what is the name of that part?
Skull. Ma'am.
Okay, so Shabari,
Ma'am.
another question.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Shabari. Okay, another question to you. Okay, say we have spinal cord, isn't it? If this spinal cord is protected by which part? Can you tell that one? In the last class, I clearly told you have to learn it properly. Likewise, also I told.
Nervous.
Lower parts of the
Then mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Tell
Nerves.
me. Tonio, what is the answer? Which part it is protecting our spinal cord?
nerves,
Which part? What is the name of the part that protects our spinal cord?
backbone,
Backbone. Okay, backbone. Understood, Shabari? So backbone is encloses
Ma'am.
our spinal cord.
Sometimes I cannot unmute.
Mute it. So here, that also we learned. After that, we learned about the nerves, isn't it? Nerves,
Yes.
wire-like structure that are forming a spider's web all over our body. That is called nerves. I think we discussed up to here, isn't it, children? Isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the nerves are like wires. You can see it. They are spread in in our entire body like a spider's web. So which part of the nervous system, looks like a spider's web in our body? I will ask
Nerves.
Samuel.
Nerves.
Nerves. Okay. So, Anay Harish, can you tell me the spelling of nerves?
Nerves.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, that is the nerves, wire-like structures like a spider's web. What is its function? They connect different body parts and organs. They connect different body parts and organs to the spinal cord and through like that to the brain also. Okay, so they are the connecting parts between the organs and the spinal cord and to the brain. Understood? They are the connecting part. So we can call them as messengers, isn't it? Messengers, isn't it? Postman. See, nowadays it is very rare. The still postman or postwoman, they may bring the whatever it is, the post to our home. Isn't it? So they are bringing the message. So we can call them as messenger. In the same way, these nerves, through the nerves that the messages from our organ to our brain, from the brain to our different organs, it is passing. So nerves are the messengers in our body. Clear? Is it clear, children? So now, this much we explained it in our last class. And today we can learn how does this nervous system work? Okay, how does this nervous system works? So here, first of all, if I want to raise my hand, please listen, children, listen carefully. At the end of it, I will show one video. Okay, so first I want to raise my left hand. So what it will form? The message from the brain, message from the brain passes to the spinal cord. First, it is through the spinal cord.
And to the nerves.
Okay, from the spinal cord, that message to raise the hand, that message it may pass to the nerve, pass to the nerve that it is passing through my left hand. Okay, so likewise, that message will pass through the nerves onto the left hand, and it passes that message to the muscles associated with it. Due to that message, muscles will help us to raise our hand. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? So here in this picture, you can see here, I hope you can see this one, isn't it? Brain is here. And here you can see the spinal cord. Can you see that spinal cord?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is the spinal cord.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, it is very important, okay? Spinal cord. See, from the spinal cord, like branches, this each single nerve, it is coming out of the spinal cord and getting it into different body parts. Okay, is this much is clear? Okay, so we can consider brain as a Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, any of the state. Just think. Aiden, mute your audio. So just think this brain is any of the other state, okay, than Kerala. So please, I will take it as Karnataka. Okay, so any of this state. So after that, what we can do, see this from the state, one full load of vegetable is coming. Okay, we are buying vegetables from all the states. So from the Karnataka state, one vehicle, one load full of vegetable is coming. That is to be distributed in Kerala, isn't it? So which path it may take, which path is easy for, that is connecting the different states? What
Road.
is it called?
Yes.
Okay, which
Can
road
I
is National Highways, isn't it?
Ma'am,
National
can
Highways,
I
have you
rejoin?
heard about NH? Okay, NH
Ma'am.
or National Highway.
Ma'am,
Ekraj,
can I
please
rejoin?
mute your audio.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Yes, you can. So national highways are the main path that connects different states. Okay, that connects different states. So just think brain is a state like Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, and Kerala, that full vegetables is to be distributed in Kerala. Okay, so one of the part of our body is Kerala. So which path it may travel? Through the national highway. So think this is, spinal cord is a national highway. Just compare. Okay, the main path through which the vehicles are passing, that is the national highway. To now we can compare this spinal cord as the national highway, NH. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Is it clear? No other ways are there, only this NH. So it reached in Kerala. Okay, that vehicle that contain vegetable reached in Kerala. So there, that is to be distributed in Mala. Is there any national highway that connecting Mala? No.
No.
So there, through the national highways, we can't reach up to Mala. After reaching to Thrissur, they have to choose a sub road, isn't it? A small path, sub roads that leads to Mala. Here, these nerves originating from the spinal cord, branching out from the spinal cord, that forms the sub path. Clear? Clear?
Ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
national highways connecting important places such as important states between the districts. The main path it is connecting is national highways. So, which is the main path that connects brain to different organs here in the nervous system?
Can you tell the question again?
Yes, main path. Okay, main path through which brain and different organs are connected to each other.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Clear?
And
That is the
spinal cord.
spinal cord. Spinal cord acts like a national highway. But this spinal cord, is it connecting to, is it went into each organ?
No.
Is it passing through each organ? Is it passing
No.
through each part of our body?
No.
No, it is only on a particular position, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But what it is connecting different parts of our body and the spinal cord?
Nerves.
Nerves originating
Nerves.
from the spinal cord. Here, these nerves are acting like sub-roads that connects different places in a district. Am I correct?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
From Bangalore to Thrissur, or from Mysore to Thrissur, from wherever it is, through the national highway, we can we can reach up to Thrissur or Alwa. From that, if we want to get into Mala, like small places, there is no national highway. But we can go there through the sub roads that connecting the national highway and the each place. Isn't it? Is
Yes.
it clear? Is it clear,
Yes.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So spinal cord is the main main part through which messages are passing. Spinal cord is the main part through which messages are passing from the brain to different parts of the body. Nerves, that is subparts. Nerves acts like subparts that connecting national highway and different places. Here these nerves are connecting which all parts? Nerves. Nerves are connecting which all parts? Spinal cord and
Spinal cord.
different parts of our body. Okay, different parts of our body. So likewise, the messages are passing into and into the brain and from the brain. Okay, so let me draw it. Can you see it if I use yellow color, students?
Just little light.
Okay, let me okay, wait. Yes. Okay, so here it is the brain. Okay, once again I am explaining it. Brain. So here is the left hand or left finger or anything. Okay, so see, I touched on a hot vessel or something. Okay, hot pot. So what it felt, the nerves which are present on my left finger, they got hot, isn't it? So what did happen? They send a message from the left finger to first where it will go. First where it will go. Yeah. Nerves attached to the organs, it may carry the message that pot is hot. So to where it may carry from this finger to where? Okay, nerves carry that to nerves carry that to spinal cord. Okay, nerves carry that to spinal cord. Okay, can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Yes.
the nerves which are present on the fingers of the left hand that may take the message that the pot is hot. That may takes two nerves from the finger to the spinal cord through the nerves. From there, that message will move towards the brain through the spinal cord. Through the spinal cord, it may reach on to the brain. Brain will analyze. Brain will analyze what is to do. The finger got burned. So what is to do? So brain will analyze and it may send a message from brain to which part? First it will go to
Spinal cord.
spinal cord. Okay. So brain analyzes what is to do, and that decision, as in the form of a message, brain will send it towards the spinal cord. From the spinal cord, it may travel and the nerves which are connected to the left finger, it may pass to that nerve. Through that nerve, it may reach to the finger. And what is that message? Yeah, take the hand fast, isn't it? Yeah? So that message, it will pass it to the muscles present on the fingers. As a result, we will take our hand, isn't it? Huh? It is the normal. This all, I think you all have like this experience, isn't it, children?
Yes.
But all on a sudden, these all things are happening within the fraction of second. But just think, the messages was going to brain, from the brain to spinal cord, from the spinal cord to the nerves, isn't it? So much process is taking place within a fraction of second. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how our nervous system acts. So what is the name of the nervous is part of the nervous? Listen, children, everyone, listen here. What is the Mival? I am asking this question to Mival. Mival, what is the name of the part of nervous system? That we, wait, that we compares it to a national highway.
Spinal cord.
Okay, very good. Okay, so through the spinal cord, or we can say spinal cord is connecting different parts of our body and brain. It helps in the passage of message to and fro to the brain. Okay. Which part? Next question is to Ridu. Ridu,
Yes, ma'am.
which part of the nervous system connects the organs and the spinal cord?
No.
Nerves. Is it clear, children? Is these 2 points clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is about the working of nervous system. Do you have any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it is not only the muscles that helps us to do our functions, our sense organs, isn't it?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
when it is a pen, isn't it? When it comes in front of my eyes, you see, I can see that. So that message through the sense organ like eyes, it may catch and it may send it to our brain. Okay, so brain will analyze again, will try to identify what is this object. At last, it may think and it may get the answer. It is a pen. So from the brain, it will pass the message to the eyes that this the thing which it is in front of you, it is a pen. Clear? Clear?
Ma'am,
So,
clear.
yeah.
Yes.
So instead of me, if any other teachers in between coming and taking the class, you may think, who is that? Where is our science teacher? Isn't it? So, through which sense organ you identify that one?
Eyes.
Eyes. Okay, only the eyes. If I closed my video, if I closed my video and you can hear only the sound of the teacher, then also you, yeah, then also, yes, through the ears. Yes, yeah. So we can understand our environment through our eyes, through our ears. Then, yes, in the smaller class, you learned it.
Nose.
Nose. Okay, see now Payal is smelling. Something is preparing in the kitchen, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So through the
Skin.
nose, then
Skin.
Mouth.
Skin.
mouth. Is it
Ma'am,
mouth?
skin.
Tongue. Okay, tongue.
Skin.
And the last one,
Skin.
skin. Okay, these are the 5 organs that will help us to understand our environment. If we are say, just think if your mother or brother, anybody take one piece of cloth, and if it is closing your eyes, blindfolding it, and bringing in front of you some tasty food items such as pastries or something, pineapple cake piece or strawberry or vanilla ice cream. You can't see that, but you will be very good in identifying that one, isn't it?
Yes.
How can you do that?
Smell.
Okay. So in the same way, by closing my video, if any other teacher is coming and taking the class, you can identify it is not your science teacher, isn't it? That makes that means your sense organs, or the organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin help you to understand your environment, isn't it? Environment. That these organs are called a special name. What is that name?
Sense organs.
Sense organs, isn't it? These are called sense organs. So that's how not only these body parts, but sense organs also help to send messages to the brain. And by the message from the brain, that we can identify things, we can understand our environment. Is it clear? So children, this is all about the nervous system. Read the textbook 3 times, underline the important points, whatever points we discussed it here. When you read that one, you can remember that and you can underline that one. Okay, so any more doubts about this chapter? Do you have anyone?
No.
Doubts? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.